it's Becky Labrat from Becky Sells Real Estate, and I'm excited to welcome you to this new listing that is just available today on April 1st, no joke, and it's a single story, beautiful listing in Claremont, and I'd like to give you a little tour, so come follow me. So, first thing you notice when you enter this property, you'll notice the beautiful double doors that will greet you, your family, and your friends when you enter the property. So, come join me on a tour of the house. Okay, so welcome. And one thing you'll see first, not only the brand new paint on the exterior, but there's brand new paint throughout on the interior, along with the brand new laminate floors throughout the property. Brick mantle on the fireplace with plantation shutters throughout the property, which gives you the natural light if you want that, or privacy when you do need that. And then this would be potentially for the new homeowners. This could be a little breakfast nook or something like that to enjoy a meal with your family and friends. And enter the beautiful kitchen too that has also been upgraded with some new backsplash, along with a little bar area for your visitors. So not only do you have that breakfast nook area, you have this bar seating too that accommodates 3 to 4 people. And if that's not enough seating space, you can also add, as this homeowner did, you can add a 4-top here for your guests. So let's say you want to throw a Super Bowl party or a backyard barbecue, which I'll show you the backyard later. You can also have this indoor-outdoor experience in this house, which is phenomenal. So imagine a big screen here with some couches and your friends all hanging out, eating in different places in the house. That's one thing that this house really does accommodate, is this open concept. There's a hall closet. Now come with me into the upgraded bathroom here with the his and her sink, updated fixtures throughout, and updated tile too. So one of the major things that people look for too is having this nice bathroom for their guests. And if you're an entertainer, this is going to be the perfect property for you. So come now, enter us. We're going through the hallway here, and we're going to look at a couple of the bedrooms in the house. So we have this bedroom here, which would be bedroom number 1. You can tell that the homeowner put a lot of really fun details in here, like the light in the room. I'm walking past the hallway, and this would be the laundry room here, with washer dryer hookups, and attached to this huge 3-car garage that has enough space not only for 3 cars but storage as well. Bedroom number 2, with again some fun details and lighting in the room, with some really good space for privacy. Again, walking through this hall, we're entering bedroom number 3 here, which could be used as a workout space, studio, maybe yoga studio. I'm a yogi, so I can totally see potential here, or maybe a little office space since everyone's working from home and remote. So you can imagine how this space can be used. We're passing a little double hall closet to enter the master bedroom. And this is a lovely master bedroom, again, with the ceiling fan here. So you can choose to utilize AC, or you can just have fan if you'd like. Now there's even a mini hallway too into this master that leads you to the upgraded bathroom as well, with his and her sink. Huge bonus. If you're like my husband, that's something that is a must. And then you walk through the hallway again to go through my favorite part, which again, I'm talking open concept all the time. This has sliding glass doors that lead to the backyard with the pool and the spa area. And so as you can see, you can imagine yourself maybe coming home from like hard day at work, and you get dressed and you turn on the spa and you go in and just relax and unwind in this beautiful backyard oasis. Now follow me around the pool area because there's still a lot more. All the pool equipment is covered, which makes it really nice and aesthetically super beautiful for the backyard. But look at this area. This is one of my favorite parts. This is RV parking. And the RV parking is wonderful because it's behind some gates. In Claremont, you have to have your RV behind gates. Otherwise, you get a ticket or you get fined. So imagine if you're in this kind of lifestyle of just living on the go and mobile, and you have an RV. You can keep your RV here, or you can even rent the space too, so that's additional income. And again, there's so many features in this property. Now, if you take a look over at the roof, there is solar enabled on the property. This home has been really upgraded to be energy efficient, and that includes the solar. So the homeowner reported too a 50% reduction in their energy bill. And that's for the solar. In addition to that too, the water heater has been totally upgraded too. So there's been a lot of little details in the home that have contributed to energy efficiency, saving you tons of money. So take a look at this backyard too, with one of the favorite features is this covered patio and double fans here. So again, you can imagine this is an entertainer's home or an oasis for a homeowner. You come here, maybe you have your parties going on, you have your pool, your spa, maybe you have a friend coming in town and parks their RV with the hookup. And then at the end of the day, you could do a whole buffet out here with your friends, family, and have a whole celebration. But this house continues to keep going. So check out the side area too that has tons of privacy. And you could have sunbathing, and also if you're like me, love to do some planting and gardening because you can get full sun back here. Maybe grow some tomatoes or something, who knows? But again, open concept. This home has such a wonderful flow about it, has more accessibility back into the home here. So you'll remember when we walked through the home, there was the kitchen, there's the dining room area, there was the family room area, and there's tons of potential. And you can envision yourself in this home, entertaining, enjoying years to come of friends and family. So I hope you really enjoyed the tour, and if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. You can go to my website, beckysellsrealestate.com, and I look forward to connecting with you. Take care.